You went viral, hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of people saw you. Your comments were on fire, your DMs are flooded, and your phone could not stop vibrating. And yet, your income barely changed. It feels almost embarrassing to admit, right? Like, how can the world see you and somehow still not value you? Pause here because this is a part nobody prepares you for. I spend lot of time working behind the scene with creators, consult and educators, and I have watched talented people go viral again and again while their bank account remain fragile. And the problem is not the content, the problem is the module underneath the content. Virality is a simple spotlight, a moment of attention, but if there is nothing behind that spotlight, the movement fades and your income fades with it. Let's go deeper into the psychology because this is where creator misunderstanding the game. When someone watch your viral video, they are entertained or inspired, but that does not mean they are ready to invest because viewership is emotional and purchasing is personal and logical. Remember, people don't buy because you went viral. People buy because they trust you, the person we listen that solve a specific problem. Remember this thing. The more specific problem you solve, the more viewer trust you. Because if person who solve 10 things, the viewer is confused. If the viewer think this person solve one thing that I may struggle, they pay. Remember, viral content only create curiosity. Business is built on clarity. Reset this distraction and let's change everything. And this is why I built the Cash Smoke Tech strategy. Not a funnel, not a sales technique, but a sequence that turns unpredictable attention into a predictable income. Let me break it down clearly and I will give you a real example right after. Step number 1, Cash. Cash is where you prove value is tiny, believable does, not big claim, not complicated system. Micro transformation. Like a small mindset shift, a tiny skill, a mini before after. Cash prove one thing. I know how to change something in your life right now. If your viral audience get a tiny win for you, then automatically start believing, what if I got a bigger win? Reset everything and notice how natural this feel. Step 2 is mock. Mock is where most creators panic. They think they need a full course, a complete program, a fancy digital product. No. Mock means you test interest before building anything. Host a $7 challenge, offer a 1-hour audit, run a small live workshop. Cheap, simple, immediate. Mock answer the question, what do people actually want? Enough to pay for. Reset everything. This eliminates 90% of wasted effort. Step 3, deck. Deck is your simple human offer, not complicated funnel, just a clean explanation of 3 things. Number 1, what I help you achieve. Number 2, proof that I actually can, and your easiest path to start. That's it. A single page, a simple invitation, no pressure. And this is trust-based monetization. And now let me give you a complete example. I work with a creator named Adam, his fake name. He went viral multiple times in YouTube short, TikTok and Instagram, but his income never moved. $300 a month. He felt invisible his own success. Here what we did. Week 1 we create 8 micro case posts. Tiny mindset shift for beginner editor. People loved them because they were simple and usable. Week 2 he launched a $9 mock, a 2-horse editing workshop. 53 people sign up. Week 3, from that small test we learn exactly the beginner struggle with the first 20 minutes of editing workflow. So in a week 3 we build a deck, a $29 membership focus only on beginner workflow and personal feedback. By month 4 he was earning 5k to 8k month consistently, not because he went viral, but because his viral attention now had a path. And that's the actually transformation. I want to hear now carefully what I'm saying. Most creators don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they never make a bridge between attention and income. Case is a proof, mock is a test, tech is a bridge. Viral creator stay broke because they skip the bridge. Now if you want my exact Cash Smoke Tech template, the same one I use with the top level creator, comment the word tech below and I will send it to you personally. And if you want partnership with us and you have a good audience, then it's complete detail and it's email. Please contact with us from $5K, from $300, from $200 to $10,000.